Today, I'm showing you the two new features regarding the video calls that we have just delivered. First one is to allow you to record your meetings, any room or at the main stage if it's a video call. So if you are host of the events, now you are also moderator of your calls. And this gives you the permission to start recording your call. If you click start recording, you can keep the default settings, and the record will start in a few seconds. Once the record is on, everybody in the call will be notified that the call is being recorded, as you can see here on this with this icon. Besides the recording, you can also apply some moderation settings. So you can, for example, as a moderator, you can choose that everyone starts muted, everyone starts hidden without the camera on, or everyone follows yourself. So for example, if you set everyone follows yourself, now if I select one participant, it will automatically force all users to have this setting. You can see that. Or if you set tile view, everybody will see the tile view, as well as the recording. Another possibility that you have as moderators is to mute a specific participant, mute everybody else except the speaker, grant someone as a moderator. So this is only for the video call, not linked to Veertly, or to kick them out from the call. So let's just stop our recording. And once the recording is stopped, it will be processed and you'll be able to see the recording on the cockpit. If you come to the cockpit, you can see that in a few seconds a new recording will appear here. It's important to mention that the recordings are only valid for 24 hours after the recording date. As you can see, this one is older than 24 hours, so you can no longer download it. But these two you can. So you can see here the latest recording that we have just finished. So you can download it, just save it, and you can open it and see the recording that you just did. You can see that it's following what you have defined on the settings. I hope you enjoy this feature. I really hope that this will allow you to get more control on your calls and also to create content for post-production and have a better return on your events. As always, just contact us if you need any help, and we are looking forward to your feedback. Have a good day.